For our smothered chicken here, we have taken the chicken and floured it. We put just a small amount of oil in the skillet here. And what you want to do is simply brown the chicken on each side. You're not deep frying it. Notice the small amount of oil that's just covering the bottom of the skillet. So you want to brown your chicken on each side. Make sure it's nice and brown here. This is Grandma's old way of doing smothered chicken. And brown each side there. Okay, that's looking good. I'm going to let this side brown and put our splatter shield in. So now that we got our chicken nice and brown on each side, we're actually going to take this chicken and remove it from the pan here. Another pan. You're not trying to cook the chicken, you just want to brown the chicken on each side. So it doesn't need to be cooked through and through. Just simply kind of crisp on each side. So now we're going to add just a bit of oil for our roux. Just a little bit more oil. I want to kind of coat the skillet there with oil, not a lot. And we're going to add some flour, just regular flour. And it depends on how thick you like your gravy, the amount of flour you add. So we want to stir this until it's nice and brown. You have a few scraps left over from the flour that comes from your chicken. Want to get this nice and brown. While it's browning, we're also going to get some hot water to add to this, to make us a nice gravy for our smothered chicken. So you can make this gravy as light or dark as you like it. I kind of like this color. Like kind of a light brown. And so to this, we're going to add some hot water. Notice the sizzle. Get that stirred up real good. A little more water, I like a lot of gravy. So I like to add my seasonings to this before it starts cooking. So we're going to add a bit of black pepper. A bit of salt. We're going to add a bit of granulated garlic. Oops. And we're going to add a bit of chopped basil. And my favorite Tony's Creole seasoning. It's the same as bamboo spice. Just a bit spicier. Get that all stirred up Then we're going to add our chicken back to this well-seasoned menu. So we want to add some chopped onions, and I typically use bell pepper also, but I don't have any bell pepper, so today we'll just double it up with the onions. Get that cooking in there. I'm going to add just a little more water because we want this to cover the chicken. And we'll add the chicken back and it'll cook down nicely. The water cooks off. So now we're going to add our chicken back that we have browned and kind of set aside over here. Going to add it back to our mixture. So notice your chicken is not cooked all of the way, because that's the part where we call smothering it. We want it to cook down in this onion gravy mixture. Oops. So now that we have it in here, we're going to add a little water just to where it kind of covers the chicken. Stir it just a bit, and we're going to put a top on it, and we're going to cook it under a low heat and just let that cook down real nice. Look at that, smothered chicken. Okay, we are back. Our pot has been simmering for about 45 minutes here. Notice we have a nice brown gravy, nice and thick. The chicken should be nice and tender by now. Look how that gravy is on that chicken. And I was also cooking some rice at the same time, so we have rice to go with our chicken. We typically in New Orleans serve this smothered chicken over rice. Yum. And this is our finished product. We have smothered chicken with gravy over white rice. Thanks for checking out Cooking with Chef Rob.